Well, howdy and welcome to the homestead.
Hi guys. Yeah, it's chilly.
35 degrees right now.
Yeah.
And while if we were outside, it wouldn't be bad because we'd be in the sunlight.
It's still kind of windy today though. I
It
thought
is.
there wasn't going to be much wind.
No, but we're inside and there's no wind in here.
No.
But it's kind of like an icebox. I can see a little bit of coming
It's
out.
not too bad.
Anyway, we are back in the house. And what are we doing today?
Well, I'm going to work on insulation.
That's right. And I am going to work on putting in all of our valve boxes for all of our incoming plumbing because we have something special for next week that we're setting up, and we need that stuff to work so we can test it all out.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at, guys. We're gonna get right on it. Is the water off?
Yeah, I never turned it on.
It doesn't seem like it's off.
Don't forget there's a lot of water in those lines.
Okay, it is. I'm sorry. All right. Well, as you saw, that was a little bit more messy than I thought it was going to be. But
Oh, I thought you were going to grab a 5-gallon pail.
yeah, no, I wanted this lower pail.
Oh, okay.
So,
All right.
but guys, you can see we have our first outlet box in. This is going to be for our utility sink. Missy actually hooked this up for us, so we're going to get this pulled over and tied in so that we can test it out. But I'm going to have to get down low here so I can see what we got going on. And that's probably going to be perfect right there for the cold water. There. Honey, could you come help me?
Where do I need to be?
On that side, I need you to hold that clamp with one finger right there.
This clamp?
Yeah, no, your finger's in the way.
Okay.
Down, right, no,
Right there?
yeah, somewhere right in there.
Oh, just moved again.
Okay. There, perfect. Why is this doing this? What is the problem?
What are you doing?
Okay. I'm gonna have to take that off and fix it. Sit something like that.
How's it going over here?
It's going. We're doing pretty good. It's slow but sure. I think we're gonna be all right though.
All right.
I think so. Get up off my knees. All right. So that's going to give us our red line. And then that's going to be our blue line right there. This is the last one. Unfortunately, I've got to get down here to be able to see it. Come on.
Our camera is really messing up. I think it's a cold.
It probably is.
I don't know if it's gonna work the right way.
I don't either.
Or if we're gonna have double screen.
We might. All right, that's gonna sit just like that, and that's the toilet. What do you think, honey? You want to give this sink a try?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens.
All right, ready?
Ready.
Right now we only have cold water because we don't have a heater yet. But
hey,
ooh, the sink works.
Sink works.
Check
and
the plunger.
The plunger works.
Yep.
All right.
All right, let's turn off the water.
Yeah.
And let the water out.
And of course, it's just going to the bucket for now, guys.
Yeah. But yeah, it works good.
Yeah.
Super happy with it.
Yeah.
Looks good in here.
Yeah, I think that that's going to work. I mean, we're going to have to pull it out when we do the floors and walls, but...
Yeah, we knew that. This is in here so that we can use our washing machine, dryer, and have at least cold water for now.
Yeah.
But
hot water's coming soon.
It is coming soon.
Yeah.
But we knew that we'd have to pull everything out when we did
Yeah.
the floors.
Yeah. But because we don't have the shelter logics and the washing machines out there anymore, it all had to come in here because we can't put them in the storage container.
No.
So, all right, let's finish up that insulation.
All right, I got pretty far. The camera kept messing up, so I turned it off.
It's messing up now. I can see it. It's a little cold in here, guys. We'll see what we can get for you.
Yes, not bad. Just 2 more cavities over here.
And that shorty.
And then,
And then finish off this end.
we have some cavities underneath the windows.
Yep.
So,
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
there it does.
Yeah, what do you guys think?
So, not bad.
It feels a little warmer, even though the rest of the house isn't done. For some reason, it feels warmer.
does. In this
It could
room.
be the end of the day, too.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, that's it for us.
Yeah, the sun is definitely going down.
Yeah, we've got some outdoor chores to do. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.